Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Wordtune for automated rewriting inside your browser. Easy tutorial. To activate Wordtune for automated rewriting inside your browser, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Wordtune website at www.wordtune.com. Once on the site, look for the Get Started button. Click on it to begin the installation process. You will be prompted to sign up or log in if you already have an account. Fill in the required information to create your account if necessary. After logging in, locate the browser extension option. Follow the prompts to add the Wordtune extension to your browser. If you are using Google Chrome, click on Add to Chrome. For other browsers, look for similar options to install the extension. Once the extension is installed, a Wordtune icon will appear in your browser toolbar. Click on the icon to open the Wordtune interface. You may need to grant permissions for Wordtune to access your content. Once permissions are set, navigate to a web page where you want to use Wordtune. Highlight the text you wish to rewrite. Right-click on the highlighted text to open the context menu. Select the Wordtune option that appears in the menu. Choose the rewriting suggestion that fits your needs. The rewritten text will automatically replace the original text, or you can copy it over. To access more features, explore the Wordtune settings. Here, you can customize preferences to enhance your writing experience. Now you are ready to use Wordtune to rewrite content seamlessly in your browser. Enjoy the benefits of improved writing with just a few clicks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.